Hi viewers, welcome back. I have already posted two videos for the Wattalapam recipe, but today is a different version. I am so excited to share this microwave series recipes with you. So today I have tried Wattalapam, which is made under 5 minutes. We all like to eat Wattalapam, but making Wattalapam is a long process and it takes a lot of time. But please do try out this recipe. Even the beginners can do it because it's cooked in a microwave for 5 minutes. The whole process will take only about 10 minutes. Please watch out this video till the end and you will have a proper idea how to make it. And to get these holes, how I mix it and then cooking it in 5 minutes make the whole process easier. Believe me, you will get authentic original Wattalapam taste. So now let us check out the ingredients first. We need 5 eggs. You can increase the amount accordingly. 250 grams grated jaggery. Use a good quality jaggery, a dark jaggery. Half a cup very thick coconut milk. I am using the canned version. You can use very thick fresh coconut milk. And 1 tablespoon sugar for taste. You can use brown sugar too. And 1 teaspoon roasted and powdered cardamom. Use a good quality fresh cardamoms. Now let's start mixing this. In a large bowl add eggs. Add the coconut milk. And add the grated jaggery and the cardamom powder and sugar. Now let's mix this. I am using a whisk. You can use a fork too. I am not going to beat or whisk it a lot. Just slightly mix it to combine together till the jaggery dissolves very well. If you beat it, you will end up in a pudding. So I want this Wattalapam to have holes. So I'm just combining it and not beating a lot. Please make sure the jaggery is totally dissolved. Now use a heat-proof bowl or a microwave bowl to make the Wattalapam. Now let's strain this. Pour it slowly, little by little. Use a spoon so that way you can strain it faster. So now it's ready. Now let's microwave it. Let's keep it in the middle itself. And let's microwave it for 5 minutes. Watch out while it's cooking because it might overflow and spill out. And now you can see it's cooking and it's not overflowing because I have used a slightly larger bowl. And now 5 minutes is done. Now let's remove it. And now you can see the crack in the top, so it shows it's cooked well. Let's slowly remove it. It's very hot now. Now let's pierce it with a clean knife and check if it's cooked well. Now you can see it's cooked well and not jiggly in the middle. Now let's set this in the refrigerator for about 1 or 2 hours, and then now let's transfer it to a plate later. Now after 2 hours I removed from the refrigerator. I'm just running a thin knife so that way we can flip it to a plate easily. Just tap it with your hands and it will release slowly. Wait for about 5 minutes. Now you can see it has released from the bowl. Now let's remove the bowl from the plate. Garnish it with some cashew nuts, but this is optional. Now our quick and easy 5-minute Wattalapam is ready. Wow, look at these holes and perfect Wattalapam, just like authentic Wattalapam, and it tastes so good, so juicy and soft and delicious. Wattalapam is ready now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do try out this recipe and leave a comment. And if you are watching for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Please share my channel with your friends and family. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.